Hey, what's up everyone? This is Lefty Crafty and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will do unboxing and review of this Christmas stocking holder. So please stay tuned. I finally received my package from Amazon, so it's time to unbox and review these stocking holders. It comes in two sets. One is a Christmas tree design and the other one is a reindeer design. I love the glossy finish of this one. It makes it look more elegant and high-end. The red scarf on this reindeer is absolutely gorgeous. Judging by its texture and its weight, I can tell that these items are made of high quality material and therefore they are durable. I am giving this a 5-star rating for its quality and for the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.